Well, the old camp weathered the storm. It didn't even leak. Which is surprising because I didn't even shingle it. It's just got that stuff on it, that, not tar paper. I don't even think they make tar paper anymore. But that plastic sheet barrier stuff that you're supposed to put underneath your shingles now. Stuff worked pretty good. I'm glad it didn't blow over because there'd be a lot of work fixing it back up. Even my windows didn't blow out. Alright, the hurricane just went by about 6 hours ago. It's still pretty breezy up here, pretty windy. I think I picked a good spot to build this and put that here. Because out by the lake, yeah, she would have been really hating it. Anyways, this is just the first step anyways. I'll probably build something bigger and more solid, like close to the lake. Ooh, that big tree fell over. Oh. Well, gonna have to take some of these big trees down just in case, I guess. Especially like the spruce, any fir, stuff like that. Pine's okay. Pine has a big tap root. They're pretty strong tree. And hardwoods, of course, because they lose their leaves as well as good roots. So, okay, that's about it. I gotta get out of here.